Hi everyone, this is Anirudh. Today we will see how you can make a Power Apps quarantine. So in this pandemic, everyone knows what is quarantine is. So let's say a particular person get infected, we need to isolate that person from others so that that person will not infect others. Now, what is the meaning of making a quarantine for Power Apps then? Let's say consider one scenario. There is a Power App already in production and you wanted to update it with some CRs or something. After deployment you wanted to have a test and make sure that it is working fine in the production after the deployment. In that time you don't wanted to access other people so that they will not submit a wrong record kind of things. Production app, and sometimes it happens that in your dev sit uat there is no problem, but whenever it is coming in the production there is some kind of bug. That time maybe you need to a downtime so that no one can submit a wrong record, and you make sure that you make a downtime, fix the thing, and then publish it and make a unquarantined that particular app. So for that reason we need to make a quarantine. Okay, now whenever it will be a quarantine, to make a quarantine an app, what will happen that whenever that end user wanted to get access, and then they will see this kind of message, it is saying that app has been quarantined by admin. Okay, now this kind of metrics will work. Not everyone will get the same message, because you understand, if app owner or the app maker, they need to edit the app, they cannot see this kind of message. So when it will be quarantine, the admin of the environment, they can go admin.powerplatform.com and see that app. That is not a problem after quarantine. Even for the maker, if you see, for the maker, that means owner or the co-owner, they can also see that app in the make.powerapps.com and edit and update. That is not a problem. But the end user, they only see that message. That message I showed few minutes back. What is the usual way? Usual way is that you will run this PowerShell command for quarantine, unquarantine, and whether it is already quarantine or what is the current status of that particular app. You can find it with the get app quarantine state function. So, but for today, I will not go with that PowerShell command. As I said in my last video, that most of the people avoid to run a PowerShell command. So I have created another app for this purpose. So let's go for that. Okay, so this is the app. This is the same app in my last video I have shown, but I have changed something. I kept the name now Power Apps Admin Center. So Power Platform Admin Center is different. I give this name Power Apps Admin Center to manipulate a Power Apps. Uh, I mean some of the activity. So for first time, let's say admin, click on the start button. There are two options: change app owner and make an app quarantine. So change app owner I already shown in my last video. So if you want, you can check that particular video there. That is not a problem. Now for make app quarantine. So if let's say someone actually select that make an app quarantine, so they will click on the next. Then they will click on that environment, and then any of the app they can select, and they can make quarantine. So before that, what I will do is I will go app and I'll check whom I already shared. I can see one of the user already there. I will logged in with that particular user. This is the login. Okay, this is the app. So you can access that app. That is not a problem. Now I will go back to this app, select that particular app, make it quarantine and update. When I will do, I will come back to that user and test once. You can see it is saying like that. But as a admin, I can edit, I can update anytime. That is not a problem. After fixing all these things, what I will do, I will go again, click on that, select that, environment, select that app, select on quarantine, and click on update. And next time you can see that particular person now can access the app without any problem. Now this app I will upload in the Git. I will give in the description. You can download and use by yourself. Not a problem. Many of the features I will add in my couple of next videos one by one and share with you. So one of the thing, let's go with that. This is nothing new. In the last video, I already explained how you can see all the environments, how you can see all the apps inside one environment. You can, this is a searchable area also. You can search anytime. So any of the app you will just select and you can find it like this. So there are two state, quarantined and unquarantined. So here in the update command, I have done some code. So first is that if you select here, you can find what are the parameters. So first parameter is environment. Environment is that there is a gallery I have already selected. Next is the app. What is the app name? And then what is the quarantine status? So quarantine status I have taken from that whatever the selected text based on that. And at the end, I actually direct to the success screen. That's how it is. Okay. So yes, that's all. So let me know if you need any help to install this app and use it. Thank you.